What I was talking about that in many cases, we are still so focused on being afraid that it's hard for us to free, let's call them a focus point and not CPUs to simplify the stuff. And there's techniques that can help you to lower this fear. Some of them are breathing techniques. Some of them are physical educational techniques or physical exercise. But one of my favorite one called box breathing. I didn't invented this. Navy SEALs using them for a long time. Definitely the yogis using them for a long time as well. And the way it goes is you inhale for 4 or 5 seconds. You hold it for 4 or 5 seconds. Exhale, same 4 or 5 or 3 seconds. Hold and repeat. What's happening is that your breathing cycle right now, if it's a 4 second, it's 16. If it's a 5 second, it's 20 seconds. So you now breathing about 4 to 5 breaths per minute. When the regular breathing for a human being is about 15 to 20. What's going to happen the moment you do box breathing for about 3 to 4 minutes, your heart rate will go down. And the moment your heart rate will go down, your fear and whatever the threat you have will also reduce as well. This is why people that are doing meditation, slowing their breathing, people that are doing free diving, slowing their breathing as well. And this is just one of the techniques. Every time, like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. I'm so scared. Is okay, do box breathing for 2 3 minutes. And if you're not sure, we don't have time to go to all the mechanics, just Google box breathing, do it for 2 3 minutes. If you're not, I'll give you your money back. It doesn't cost you anything for breathing. You will see the difference. And then I hope it will help you to start transition, change the mental mode from fear to excitement and start your podcast as well.
So I want to go back to your first podcast about
Yes.
extreme sports. Will you let me know, is it true that the only reason that you started recording those episodes was to kind of get your feet wet, to kind of get used to podcasting? Or was there a time that you wanted that podcast to grow?
I had no intention to, if it will grow, I will be very surprised. It was basically just to make my feet wet, as you're saying, and try to understand the experience, learn how to upload, learn how to edit, learn how to remove filler words in pros editing, and later on remove for myself in the speech as well. So purely to understand the process and feel comfortable that it's not so hard.
Okay. And one of the things that you have done as a podcast host in order to get over your fear, well, on top of the extreme sports podcast, is you've talked to friends, you've talked to family, you've talked to yourself, you've listened to yourself, you've asked for feedback from other people. That can be scary to ask somebody, hey, can you listen to my podcast and tell me everything that I'm doing wrong, everything I need to fix? And so I want to go through that for the listener, somebody else who's going to try to be the best that they can be. How would you coach them to get the right feedback?
I hope you have good friends and you trust your family. If not, change your friends. Sorry. If your friends cannot tell you the truth, then it's a different problem, different podcast, different conversation. But I hope you can go to your friend and say, I'm looking for feedback. Don't slash everything, but give me some pointers. Or what can I improve? Am I too fast? Am I too slow? Am I talking like, hi, hello, today we're talk, you like, something like that.
Okay.
Understand maybe you monotone as a professor. Hi, hello, today we'll talk about mathematics and physics, and I'm going to bore you to death because we're going to not change anything the way I communicate. So there's a lot of things can be changed and the way you're communicating. And honestly enough, one of the parts that helped me, and this is maybe even a better way to do it. If you don't want to go to your friends, if you don't want to go to your family, go to a professional. I went to take singing lessons to improve my voice. And the person I worked with, I have no idea who he was. He got recommended to me. I can tell him F you if I don't like him. And this person helped me so much to understand the issues with my voice. I was missing the middle part. I have a very low voice, but I can have also a pitch, but there was nothing almost in the middle. And this was an eye opening to understand how I communicate and lower my communication style as well. So
Yeah.
many different options to go and improve yourself.